Live the great Australian dream on a securely fenced, gently sloping and lightly treed 5,002 square metre block. This spacious, low-set, modern, air-conditioned colonial home with full-length front veranda and window tinting is just a short distance to Bristol and just a few minutes more to the Ipswich CBD. This property boasts 3 queen-size bedrooms, all with built-in robes, and a generous master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in robe, a large study or 4th bedroom. The centrally located main bathroom also offers separate shower and bath. Outside, relax and entertain in the party-sized covered entertaining area, which is serviced by a well-appointed kitchen, complete with breakfast bar and loads of bench and storage space. It also caters to the combined family and dining room. From here, you have easy access to the Warrego Highway, a short drive to Bristol Shopping Centre and around 40 minutes to Brisbane. Call Richard Bird today to find out more and arrange your private viewing.